There's a lot we could say about the advantages of EWM welding machines. But we think actions speak louder than words. Which is why we offer our customers the chance to put them to the test themselves. Because we understand that you know best when it comes to quality. You can see for yourself how much you'll save from having to change the contact tips and wire spools much less often. You also don't need us to tell you the benefit of getting all of your components from a single source and of our top-notch service when you can experience that for yourself. This is exactly how a weld seam should look. No weld spatter, no post-weld work. You don't need to consider the fact that we're a market and innovation leader. But it's worth noting that we're well equipped for the challenges of the future, thanks to Welding 4.0 and digital networking. You'll discover that our machines use innovative welding processes to save large volumes of energy and materials, and in turn, costs. So they basically pay for themselves. If you still aren't convinced after trying out our welding machine, we'll simply take it back. But that's never happened. Try out an EWM welding machine in your day-to-day operation. That's all we have to say.